Hello Irene, this is Michael. I'm just making this video to assist you with your use of Debut video capture software. I'm assuming at this point you probably already downloaded the software, so I just wanted to walk you through. It's pretty easy to use. The biggest thing to know about Debut video capture is that it records from your webcam whatever's showing on your screen. So this is my YouTube channel. So, if I'm pulling up a Word document or working with something on Excel or, whatever software I might be using to show my students, I would just do it here and they'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing on the screen. I guess that's pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you that. One thing that I do recommend that you do, if I could go back for just a minute, and I'll go back to YouTube. Okay, I do recommend that you have a YouTube channel, a YouTube account, because with YouTube, it's just easier to convert the videos you use on Debut and incorporate those into Blackboard. And I could really show you how to do that. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, so let me just show you some of the features. And I don't honestly know all the ins and outs. I don't do a whole lot with the editing, for example. Eric knows a whole lot about editing, so he would probably be more knowledgeable than me about that. But that being said, you can't see it at this point because I'm actually recording a video, but there'll be a red dot on the far left, and when you click that, it'll pop up a box that says Start Recording, and if you hit that, you'll hear a little beep, and that'll let you know that you have actually started recording. Down here, I don't know if you can see it at the bottom of the screen, but it shows the time counter. Again, this will all be hidden primarily. I've just brought it back up to show you how the functions work. But when you're making the video, this will all be hidden. But you just want to make sure that your volume is working and that you're clicking as much on the frequency base up to about a 30 or so, as close as you can to where the color is turning red frequently when you're talking. Okay. Now, when you are done recording, over by the on the bottom, you'll see the stop button. You just bring up this window, and it'll be down on the bottom of your computer screen. You'll just bring it up, hit stop, and when you do that, it's going to place what you made in something called your recordings. Now, I don't have anything in my recordings right now, but once it goes into your recording, you can just play it and see how it turned out if you want to give it a review. And it always saves as an AVI, or let me rephrase that. I always save it as an AVI, which is what the default setting is as the record screen as. And I just find that that's easier to upload to YouTube. I don't have the need to really mess around with the format of the video. So what I do, if I could go back to my recordings, is if I had a recording, what I would do is just right-click it and save it. And what I generally do is just save it to the desktop, because I'm not going to keep it on my computer once it's on YouTube. I don't have the need to do that. And so anyways, I would do that, and then once it's saved on your desktop, which would probably be the easiest way to do it, if you have your YouTube channel created, and if you prefer, I don't mind to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel. It's pretty easy. But what you're going to do is in the corner of the screen, you'll see it upload. You're just going to click upload once you got your YouTube channel created. It'll bring up a window. And then it'll let you select the files, so it's just like anything else. Of course, I don't think I have any videos on here that I could actually do. I think I've uploaded everything at this point. But the best thing to do is just go to your desktop, and again, I don't think I have any videos. I've got a lot of my wife's X-ray stuff she's doing. She's working on her X-ray tech license, but I don't actually have any videos. But if I did, I would just select my video, select open, and then it would start downloading into YouTube. Now, this brings to mind another point, so let me show you this. I'm just going to go to Somerset. I'm going to go to Blackboard. Yeah, I got to sign in. Oh, while it's signing in, one quick thing is when you go to upload and you've selected your file and it's working, just make sure that it runs all the way through to where you can hit publish on it, and that will make your video go live on YouTube. That's just a quick little note. And so I'll just show you with an earlier video I made for this summer. You'll hear me twice here. Hello, ENC students. Once again, this is your professor, Michael Bloomingberg. I hope you are finding these videos. I'm going to pause this. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take the YouTube address, I'm going to copy it, and then in whatever shell I'm working in, I'll just pick an old shell because I still have my Spring shells up. Okay. So, well, maybe it'll pull up. It's being a little bit slow here. Okay. So this is not an online class, and maybe I should have used one of those as an example, but I'm assuming you work in folders on Blackboard much the way I do. So if I go to resources, but again, this isn't an online class. Let me go to an online class because that might work better. Okay. And maybe wait another eternity for this thing to get in. There it goes. Okay, so I work in folders with my online, so I always have them go to weekly assignments, and there's their weekly folder. So remember, it's been a while, but remember that I copied that. And so to me, the easiest way to do it is to go to build content in your whatever folder you're working in and set it up as a web link. And I usually give it some sort of name that's appropriate so they'll know what they're going to be clicking on. I usually paste that. I might leave a little note. And then I click submit. And then all they got to do is click the link. So you'll see it's at the very bottom, and when they click it, it takes them directly into the video. Hello, ENC students. Once again, this is your professor, Mike. So it's pretty easy. I'm just going to delete that out. It doesn't really matter, I guess. It's an old shell, but sometimes within YouTube you can embed the video. I'm sorry, in Blackboard you can embed. But I have found it to be very difficult, and a lot of times you have to let some time lapse from the time it's gone live on YouTube before you can embed it. If you're interested in how to embed it, let's see, I haven't done this in a while. There's a YouTube search, I'm pretty sure. Let me go to all the tools. Yeah, come on. This thing is so finicky. There we go. Okay, let's see. It's been a while since I've used this. I was thinking it was here. You might have to bear with me, Irene. I'm trying to find it. You can see that I don't really use it all that much. Oh, I'm sorry. It's under build content. I should have known that. And YouTube video. And then what you do is you, in the search, you just type in the video exactly as it's titled. Which this video was called My Writing Lab Expectations. Hit go. And that's the video right there. And actually a couple of my videos are on there. One from 2015, one from just June of this past year. I try to recycle videos as much as I can. It just cuts down on the workload, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you have to make different videos for different classes. So anyways, you can select it, and when you do, it will actually embed the video. And that's really nice. You might play around with it, but what I found in the past is that it doesn't tend to work very well unless a lot of time has gone by since the video was uploaded. I hope this video is helpful. I feel like I've kind of been all over the place, but if you have questions, I know we'll be at Convocation and all kinds of other stuff before the semester starts, so you just let me know if you have any questions. I meant to walk you through this earlier, so I apologize for that. But anyways, hopefully this video helps, and let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. Bye-bye.